The Healing Frog. A frog who lived in a swamp had a dream that he had received miraculous powers to heal everyone. He was very happy. He told his wife, "My dear, I have got magical powers. I can heal anybody." His wife said, "That's a great piece of news. Soon the animals in the forest will visit you and you will be famous. Go outside and tell everyone about your healing powers." The frog went out of the swamp and proclaimed, "Dear friends, I have magical healing powers. Visit me and I will cure you no matter what disease you may have." A wolf was passing by and he came to the frog. He said, "Friend, you say you are a healer. Wait, let me see. Is that a wart on your nose? If you can heal everyone, why not heal yourself first?" The frog fell silent. One's practice is the proof of one's profession. The Faithful Dog. Sheru was a faithful dog. He had a powerful voice. His barks were enough to send shivers down the spine of those with bad intentions. Sheru loved his master and his family, who had cared for him since he was a pup. When everyone would go to sleep at night, Sheru would be awake guarding the house. One night, he heard some sounds near the backyard and he sensed trouble. He began barking loudly. Soon he saw a thief jumping across the fence into the garden. The thief saw Sheru and offered him biscuits. But Sheru said, "You are trying to bribe me so that I may keep my mouth shut and you can steal the valuables from our home. Get out, you rogue! Your extra sweet behavior confirms my suspicions about you. I will not betray my master." And he barked louder. The master woke up and the thief ran away. The Wise Wild Boar. There was a wild boar. He was old and wise. One day, while looking for food, he stopped near a tree and began sharpening his tusk against its trunk. A monkey was sitting on a branch of the same tree. The monkey thought, "What a silly creature! Look at him, preparing for battle when there is no sign of danger." The boar continued to sharpen his tusk. The monkey could not stay quiet any longer. He asked, "Why are you sharpening your tusk? Don't you see we are safe? There is no sign of a ferocious animal or hunter. Don't you think it's useless to get ready for battle when no danger in sight?" The boar said, "My friend, don't you know it's too late to sharpen the sword when the war trumpet blows? Danger arrives without notice, and when it does arrive, I may have other things on my mind." The Raven who tried to be white. Once there was a raven. While flying around the forest one day, he saw a lake. There were swans in it. He was fascinated by the graceful swans. The raven looked at himself and said, I am black as coal, and the swans are white as snow. Maybe I can become like them if I live in the lake instead of trees. The raven began living near the lake and washed himself again and again. He tried to copy the swans, but he remained black. At last, he said to the swans, I came to live in this lake so that I might become like you, but I am still black. A wise swan replied, Friend, merely changing your place of stay will not change your nature. Beauty comes from within. You are beautiful as you are. The Creator has made us this way. The raven thanked the swan and flew away.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.